Tropical storm Franklin causes heavy floods and landslides in the Dominican Republic. Caribbean storm in the Dominican Republic. Franklin has caused significant floods and landslides. One terrible life was lost and 2 people were hurt when the storm made landfall in the southern part of the nation. The storm is expected to linger over the Hispaniola island, which is shared by Haiti and the Dominican Republic, all day. The storm might bring the area significant rainfall, according to weather warnings. Up to 12 inches, 30 centimeters, of rain may fall in the Dominican Republic, while up to 16 inches, 41 centimeters, may fall in the western and central regions. In contrast, it is anticipated that Haiti will only have about 4 inches, 10 centimeters, of rain, with the eastern areas perhaps receiving up to 8 inches, 20 centimeters. The Director of Emergency Operations, San Juan Manuel Amanda, stressed the significance of this action. The Dominican Republic's population has been urged to stay indoors as a result of the crisis, either in their own homes, with friends or family, or in authorized shelters. Carlos Marino Martinez unfortunately perished in the city of San Cristobal after being carried away by floodwaters. He was initially mistakenly identified by the civil defense as a volunteer due to a mistake with his outfit. Additionally, the storm has damaged a number of locations. A landslide in San Cristobal resulted in the hospitalization of 2 people who were injured, while an additional 280 people were evacuated from their homes to safer location. Over 300 people sought safety in shelters. At least 6 communities were left alone as a result of the heavy rains. Numerous residences experienced flooding. Several trees and light posts fell, and as a result, streets turned into waterways. The waters off of Puerto Rico, which was also affected by Franklin's downpour, are being searched for 2 missing scuba divers. The storm center was situated in the Dominican Republic, 65 kilometers, 40 miles, south of Puerto Plata. Maximum winds of 40 miles per hour, 65 kilometers per hour, with higher gusts, were its defining feature. A 13 miles per hour, 20 kilometers per hour, northerly pace was being maintained by the storm. Due to its exposed geographic location, the Dominican Republic confronts significant hazards. The United Nations World Food Programme noted that due to their destitute and densely populated settlements along rivers, streams, and lagoons, roughly 125,000 people in the country live in places vulnerable to landslides and flash floods.